Hey guys, welcome back here, and in today's class I'm going to show you how to create your own signals, how to find your signals by yourself. Now if you're new to Binance, you're new to trading, Binance is a very powerful way to find your signals. Just look at the search button, and whatever you find that is trending there is likely going to actually help you trade. You can see phone is trending, so click on phone. Just look for phone, okay? In case you're not understanding what I'm saying, you look at the search bar, you see different things are changing, and wait for the first coin or the other one you find there. You can see Mubarak is one of them, and the second one you find there is fun, which is FUN. Now I'll choose fun, and I will tell you why you should not choose some coins. Now when you click on fun, you can see that this thing has been trending for like 2 days or 3 days. People who purchase this fun token would have made a lot of profit just with this signal. Now when you come here, you can look at the huge mark here. I mentioned this in the last trading class. I told you one of the best ways to get your own signals is to check on the coin that is trending on Binance. You can see this coin has drawn two huge candlesticks. You don't need anybody to tell you that fun is trending, and people who have purchased this, because Binance actually mentioned this coin about 3 days ago in their search space. People who purchased at this point, the price must have increased. Now I'll tell you the rules and regulation of these, how you can use this to your advantage, and what you should not do. Okay, now let's go back to the beginning of this page. Now at the beginning of the class today, I told you that you should look at this search space, and you find the coins that are trending, and you can choose some of them. Now the first one we saw was Mubarak. Okay, it's going to show up there very soon, and when you find Mubarak there, okay, the reason why I said you should not choose Mubarak, because normally you are supposed to go and search for the coin Mubarak. Okay, if you search for Mubarak, of course it will take you to the space. Now you can see the Mubarak is not in profit, and I'll tell you why. The rule one of this trading is that you should not choose a new crypto. Mubarak is new to Binance, and if you are choosing a new crypto, you can see it has only it has only lasted 4 days on Binance. Definitely people will be willing to sell it within the first few days of launching on Binance, and that is why it's going to be falling. Normally Mubarak should be trending on Binance right now, but because it's a new crypto, it's going to be falling because there are lots of people who want to sell. That's why you see the red mark is 54% and the green mark is 46%, which means more people want to sell than they want to buy. Okay, very more people want to sell. Okay, now so when you see a coin trending, you search it on Binance, you see that it's a new coin. Don't buy or don't trade the signal. Now the reason why, how do you know it's a new coin? I will tell you again. when you when you click on the chart, you see that it has very few candlesticks. This particular coin, this particular chart has only 4 candlesticks, which is 1, 2, 3, and 4. So only 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. You know, if you see that it's less than a month, don't even trade the coin because it is completely new. Okay, so you're only going to be trading coins that have lasted for a very long time on Binance and they are trending. Now if you look at this place again, you find the next one which will be loading, and it's called phone. So like I mentioned, if you just come, although we are already late to the signal, the phone has been trading for about 2 days, and people who were in our last class must have understood this, and they will be able to make some profit for themselves. So if you click on phone, you can see that phone has a lot of days here, and of course this is not a new coin. Phone has launched on Binance many months back, if not years back. You can see phone launched on Binance. In fact, the chart is still going to show that this is not a new coin. Okay, and if I'm going to click on more, I'm just going to check out for, you can see, click on 1 month, because we are on the 1 day time frame. So if you click on 1 month, which is 1M, it will show you the date at which phone launched on Binance. So just go back, this one will be quicker, it will be faster for you. So you can see phone launched on Binance on the, let me draw my calculator. Okay, you can see phone launched on Binance on the 1st of August 2019. You can see it here. That is when phone launched on Binance. So it is not a new crypto at all. So this particular coin is great. So I'm going to go back to the 1 day time frame. The reason why I push it to 1 month is to show you that it is easy to know when it has launched on Binance. So now it's late to buy this particular token because it's already far above. It's already the signal is already expired. It has already gone 2 days. Okay, so the best time to buy is when Binance just started mentioning it. And assuming you have been following, you find that Binance mentioned Fund just 2 days ago. People who bought at this point at the price of about less than very very much less than this price. You can see people bought at 0.002 and right now it's about 0.006, which is about 300% in profit already in the last 3 days. Okay, so this is a very nice way to trade, and there are a lot every day. You find new Binance mentioning new cryptos and new cryptos and new cryptos. Okay, that is one of the very best way for you to trade as a beginner. Okay, now now people want somebody is going to ask, how do Binance get this coin to start mentioning them? Now, this is how it works. There's what they call announcement community on this area of Binance. I shared this in the last class. I told you that Binance has an announcement and of course community area where you find discover people you can follow, just like your Twitter. This is the page for this is that page. Okay. Now people chat here every day, and like on Twitter, Twitter has trends. On Binance, Binance also has trends. So when people just start mentioning fun, it is going to be a trending keyword. And once Binance has picked up that a lot of people are using the 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 um the word fun on their charts and or their messages here on the chat space, Binance is going to start trending it just like what is trending. So just like Twitter has trends, Binance also has trends. And when they put on that trends here, it's going to be advertised to thousands and millions of people because Binance is a very big exchange and people who see it will start buying the crypto, and you have to be here on time so you can find out what is trending on time before a lot of people get into it. Okay, so this is how to generate your own signals as a beginner, and of course get some few bucks for yourself at the beginning of your trading journey. Okay, so you don't need anybody to generate signal for you. You don't need to start drawing charts or anything. You can only do that you can do that as a professional trader. Now somebody want to ask, can I also use Bybit? Can I also use KuCoin? Yes, the answer is yes. But one of the reasons why I advise you, let me go on Bybit. One of the reasons why I advise you not to use Bybit, you should always use Binance, is because Bybit is one of the Bybit is not a very powerful crypto exchange like Binance. So Bybit has what is trending on their own. Bybit has trending cryptos. If you check out this place, you see Kilo, you also see B3TX USDT, you also find WAL. But if you check them, some of them might not be in making you profit because the Bybit doesn't have as much people using them as Binance. Once Binance start trending, it's going to advertise what is trending to millions and billions of people around the world. But Bybit, for example, let's check out what is trending. Like CORN is trending. So let me just type in crypto CORN. When you type in corn, you can see corn is not really making profit, even though it is trending right now. You can see it's on a 10% decrease, and this is because first of all it is a new coin. I mentioned that don't buy new coin, but apart from the fact that it's a new coin, it's not really going to give you what you want to see. Okay, so always make use of Binance because it is very popular. Now, apart from Bybit, you can also use KuCoin, but like I mentioned, Binance is just the best among all of them because when Binance advertises something, they get to be seen by lots of people around the world. And if you are lucky to buy on time, okay, if you're lucky to get into position on time and buy the crypto on time, then you can be able to sell at a much more better price, far better than what other people will be selling when they buy later. So the trick is to be able to come in on time and of course get the cryptos on time. Now, if you want us to be dropping the crypto for you, maybe researching and dropping what's going to be trending on time for you, you just get to watch the videos. You can click on this video and like it. I understand that you want that. So guys, if you want us to keep dropping signals for you every day, and of course you want to be updated on what's trending on Binance, Give this video a like, and of course it shows that you want these signals to be dropped every day. All right, see you on the next one, guys, and do have a very wonderful day.